Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can search for past or future events in your calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to return to your home screen. And from here, you want to swipe up to go into the app screen. Next, tap on calendar. And in calendar, you want to tap on the menu key and then tap on the search button. So all you have to do is just put in the search keyword. So let's say I want to search for an event that got to do with Bob. And in here it shows that I have a meeting with Bob on the 5th of June 2021. And you can tap on that to view the event details. So simply just type in the keyword in the search box and you can find any past or future event in your calendar. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.